Hey everyone, Dos from Heaven Gifts is here again, and today we have a new mesh coil Subohm tank by VOOPOO, the Maat Subohm Tank with the wide choice of mesh coils, new airflow system, it's side to bottom. And then in this video we're gonna do the unboxing, we're gonna quickly go over it, we'll fill it up with e-juice and then go back on top and vape it. So let's dive down now. And here is the packaging for the VOOPOO Maat Subohm Tank. Social media accounts, QR code, and here we have the package contents, some warning, scratch me part and UPC, stainless steel color as on the picture. Here we have a user manual on a few languages. Here's our Subohm tank with pre-installed dual mesh coil head. And here we have our spare single mesh coil with some O-rings. And here we have a straight glass tube. And here's our Maat tank. As you can see, we can see the name on the chamber. Pretty industrial look. Primarily made of stainless steel glass part. On the top, let's start from the top. We have the sleeve style drip tip, two O-rings. Let's put it back. Here we have a button to open our top cap, fill port, bubble glass tube holds 4 ml of e-juice and the straight glass holds only 2 ml of e-juice. Here we have our airflow ring, triple airflow, side to bottom, with the stoppers in both closed and open positions. Here we have our branding, VOOPOO. And at the bottom, some more branding, designed in California. So let's remove the deck part. Gold-plated pin. Don't use it on a hybrid mech mods, please. And here's our pull and plug PNP coil system. Yeah, just like so. It's very convenient to change the coils, even if you have juice inside. Just make sure the juice level is below that hole. Two O-rings on the coil. And here's our dual mesh coil MTM2. 0.2 resistance, 55 to 80 watts. Here. And let's have a look at the single mesh coil. Yep. And the single mesh coil is rated at 0.13 ohm, 60 to 85 watts. So it's pretty much the same range. Now let's see what's inside. Here we have our chamber part with the fitting holes, quite thick. So as you can see, there's still space between the coil and the chamber. There will be some juice, and they VOOPOO call it recessed reservoir. Just in case if you're out of e-juice, there still will be some juice inside left. So to prevent the dry burning the coil, for you to save some money and not get a nasty dry hit. Some of the glass here. And plus about the airflow, it's pretty much hard to leak this tank, because when you put the coil inside, If you see the airflow channel here, now it's in open position, so it goes from the side to the bottom, and from the bottom it goes up there, so it's highly unlikely to leak badly, as most of the bottom airflow Subohm tanks. So now let's prepare the coil for vaping. We're gonna be using some watermelon e-juice, sweet and sour, 3 mg 70/30. Let's prime the coil first with a few drops. As you can see, the dual mesh has some pockets for the e-liquid. That should be fine. Oops. Yep. Make sure it's tight, nice and tight. Quick access cap. Now let's fill up our tank, 4 ml. Oops. Some more. And that's enough. And forgot to mention the size. At the bottom it's 24.5 millimeters, and at the bubble glass diameter is 28. So let's get our new drag mod platinum edition. Here. So we're done here. Let's go back on top. Let's try it. Let's vape it. And we're back on top with the VOOPOO Maat Subohm Tank. Here is dual mesh coil, 0.2 resistance, and I have it on 70 watts here. So let me take a hit and show you the vapor production. Very warm, flavorful, well saturated vape. Really smooth airflow. Let me take a hit again and let you hear the airflow. It's fully open, by the way. Not too loose, but really enough. And I forgot to mention in the close-up, there is a triple mesh coil also available on our website, and 3 colors for the tank: stainless steel, black, and rainbow color as well. And we're gonna be wrapping up this video, so if you find it helpful and informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you for watching us, and we will see you in our next videos.